All right, we're going to show you how to customize every light on your home with the Gemstone Lights App Hub 2. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the Gemstone Lights app. Yours will say your home group name and the devices. I'm going to go ahead, in this case, click on Showroom. And here at the top, it says Colors, Music, and Create. I'm going to go ahead and click Create. And then it says Pattern, Architectural Design, and Folder. I'm going to click Architectural Design. Now, at this top box, it's the name. So you go ahead and tap into that name and you can name it whatever you would like. So I'm just going to do Example Design. And then it says tap on zone to add colors to it and you can set up zones. We're not going to set up zones in this photo. We're only going to change every light on your home. So I'm going to click on all lights. Here, this is the showroom. So there's 63. That means there's 63 lamps up on the showroom. Your house will have however many lights or pixels that you have. So first we're going to start with, we're going to tap, it says brush, eraser, selector tools. I'm going to choose select. Now what we could do here is I'm going to click light number 1 and make that red. All right. If I keep clicking select though, it'll select multiple colors. So now I didn't want 1 and 2 red. I only wanted 1. So I'm going to click over here to the eraser and click 2. I'm going to click back onto select, click number 2. I want that one green, right? So once that's done, I'm going to click anything else and then click select again. Now I'm on 3 and I want 3 to be yellow. I'm going to click on anything else and then select again. And now I want 4, 5, 6, and 7 to be black. Click on anything else and select again. Now I want 8, 9, 17, 20, and 25 to be cyan. So I click the cyan. Again, I click on anything else. Now, again, I could go through all of these. I'm not going to do this on this video, but this is how you do it. This also down here, as you can see, it says colors, right? You can change it where it says palettes and favorites. If you tap that, you can do the color selector, like the Hub 1, right? And you can get this whole thing where you can choose your color that way. Or if you tap it again, you could choose the RGBW sliders. If you really want to get the color code, you can type it in right there, right here in this little box. So if you're trying to match a specific color, that's where you do that. Or if you just want to play with saturation levels of the red, green, blue, and warm white, you can do that by that. So now we have this example design, all lights. Click on it, we set up this. So now if I hit this in the upper right hand, that play button, it'll show it to you on your house. If you're good with it, you hit the back, then you click save. And now you've saved it, so you can hit the play button and it will play exactly what you told it to. So most of our lights in this case will be off. This is great if you want to get only specifically over top of windows and doors for, maybe morning times or evening late hours instead of having all the lights on. This is a great way to do it.